kids. Another day, another ride. Was really looking forward to this one. And you guys know, like, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know, like, where I'm headed to this time. So I'm headed to uh, Kumbhe Waterfalls, which is after Mangaon in Maharashtra. It's a picturesque place, so I kind of was kind of confused like where to go since the monsoon season has officially started in Maharashtra. So Kumbhe and Marsage was two of my preferences. So people mostly voted for Kumbhe. So I thought like why not? Let's explore Kumbhe waterfalls. So here I am headed to my destination. So from here we'll be going to Kalamboli, which most bikers know, and from there we'll take a right, and because obviously we can't hit the Mumbai Pune Express Highway, right? Express way, so we'll have to take the old Mumbai Goa Highway. And I'm loving the performance right now. Marcos is kind of delivering because after the installation of the BMC air filter, it's become more smoother. And plus, I've done the second service. Big thanks to Vogue Motor Corp, Royal Enfield, for getting it done. And big shout out to Shri as Shri, who's the service manager over there. He made sure like whatever concerns that I had was looked into and solved. The only major, I won't say major, but the only concern that I had was regarding the concept that was kind of getting loose after every while. Like I would say after every long ride or you know. So that is sorted now, and the bike feels like it's more. I mean, the handling has improved a lot. Like after fixing that issue. So apart from that, there was no other major issue that I was facing. So thank you so much again, Vogue Motor Corp and Royal Enfield. Have to be careful with that Jeep guy, Thar guy. Sorry, not Jeep. Even though it's the Indian version of Jeep. I'm extremely careful when it comes to you know these reckless drivers and riders. Actually, I maintain my distance. These guys were trying to adore Marcos. Well, he's a head turner. What to say? It's a perfect weather. That's the best part. Like, not too hot, not too cold. Perfect weather to ride. Hope it stays like this. I mean, it's a long weekend, yeah. So that's why, yes, I'm seeing a lot of bikers like me going to recharge themselves. So you can see dark clouds here and there. So it might rain. road, man. This is why I love riding. I think all the bikers and riders can relate to this, riding through such non-bumpy roads.
We'll hold up the light, burn a hole in the night. When we are here, when we are here. So we'll hold up the light, burn a hole in the night. When we are here, when we are here. Moments like this. Moments like
I just saw a signboard saying that ride carefully because you might encounter these deers. See that? Don't think we'll be able to see them right now because of the vehicle traffic. They usually avoid this sort of a noisy environment. Let's look at the road. I don't have any words to describe the beauty of the nature that's around us. I mean, I wish we gave it a little bit more, importance and look at it with more seriousness instead of just cutting down all the trees and the nature around us. Yeah, it looks like we might encounter some rain. I know. I mean, I'm just trying to convince myself that you know gearing up for the rain was a good idea. So yeah. So another 21 kilometers I have to keep riding straight. No left, no right. Just through these green roads. And another 74 kilometers to go, which might take another 2 hours approx because it's not like a highway. It's going to be like all twisty routes. So obviously you can't speed up there, right? So whenever I approach these kind of trucks, right, long trucks, it reminds me of the Final Destination movie. If anybody has watched, so now we got a good straight road, and I'll just try to overtake. See, that's how you should do. So far, I'm enjoying, and you know why I've named it Biscuit Ride. It's kind of my thing. And also, I did post on Instagram like, why do I call it Biscuit Ride? Look at the clouds over there, like that's covered. So I'll just try to stop here and just maybe just take a good drone shot from that side. Soon, once the monsoon starts, now Maharashtra just becomes more beautiful. Like, look at this. It's all like, it's like You are riding through a carpet of greenery. That's how it is. Just look around. So beautiful. I mean, even if you are living in Maharashtra or Mumbai or Pune, or even if you are living outside Maharashtra, anywhere in India, you guys should definitely, do a ride or plan a ride through the, you know, coastal routes of Maharashtra. Not just coastal route, like anywhere through Maharashtra, like through the village roads of Maharashtra. You'll get to explore and witness beautiful sights. Like look at that. I wish I could stop and get some more drone shots, but uh, it will take a lot of time, and I'm already a bit late. I had to reach. Oh shit! What was that? A butterfly just hit me. A real butterfly, not the butterfly that I have the. Uh, so what I was saying is that yeah, I was I left around 5 p.m. I mean sorry, 5 a.m. in the morning, hoping that I will reach in like 4 hours, but it's already 3.5 hours since I started, and I'm still around 47 kilometers away from my destination, Kumbhe Waterfalls. So let me see while coming back if I have the time, and I will definitely try to stop here and take some more shots, drone shots, because it's so beautiful. Like, and look at these roads, man. What more you need? Like, just makes your day. I mean, helps you recharge. So one of the big main thing why I keep riding more often now is because of the tamasha that keeps happening during the weekdays. It just drains you out, all your mental, physical, whatever that is left inside or in you. So you need to distract yourself, recharge yourself when you get the time. Not saying you should do uh, riding or driving. It can be anything, like something that you love doing. It could be like painting. It could be like those hobbies like you do. It can be anything, playing sport. So you need that these days, otherwise you'll go crazy, man. You'll go crazy. So one of the things that pushes me drive is that I need to clear my head from all the toxicity that and the tamasha that happens during the weekdays. Get rid of it. Go back with a clear mind. Back to work. So and it helps a lot, and helps in a very impactful way actually. Wow. I mean, who will say that this is India? You have so many beautiful places like these to explore within your state, within India. Luckily, this place has already received some amount of rainfall. That's why it's all lush green, and we'll be getting a lot of twisties now. be a bit, Marcos has to climb a lot and do a lot of twisties. Wow, it feels like I'm driving through some Switzerland, somewhere in Switzerland, like because Switzerland and especially some part of Europe has got these sort of green, clean roads actually. This is why I love Maharashtra. So blessed with a lot of, you know, like you have these hill station, you have these ghats, you have beaches, you have everything. You ask, you have it. I mean, not just Maharashtra, but throughout the coastal states, right from Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, even West Bengal. Like that's why incredible India, right? And I'm just loving it. I'm just, I mean, I could jump out of joy because right now I'm feeling like a 10-year-old kid who just got a candy on his hand because that's how I'm just enjoying it. Like, look at this. Me, Marcos, and nature. That's what I want. And peace. A lot of peace. Away from all the hustle, bustle, papa, pee. Dream village. Yes, it is definitely a dream village. And people who stay here or live here, they're blessed. Kids. And now also the power. Yeah. That's something again I'll have to mention. Like the power is super adequate to ride through these twisty, inclined roads. And look at those twisty roads that me and Marcos are going to face ahead. See, this is something that you should never do as a responsible, driver or a rider. Overtaking on such, extreme corner. I mean, you're risking your own life. Look at that. Oh, here it's not raining. Look at that. Oh, here again. Just stop here for some time. This is what I love about India, Maharashtra. Like, I'm just not going to blabber for just 10 seconds. Like, you can listen to the calmness, just the birds chirping, and we'll be going there. See that over there. And Marcos, as you can see, he's enjoying the ride. Now he looks like a proper adventure tourer because that's how he is actually. Bikers, a lot of bikers. So let's just continue and reach there, and let's see. I mean, really looking forward to the twisty roads there, up there, and the tunnel, especially the 200-meter tunnel that we are looking forward to. So let's go.